There are 8 ways of physical education that makes you a profitable trader in the stock market. First one is build your body. What I am saying, yes, build your body. What is the advantage of building your body to be a profitable trader? Ultimately, your body is the instrument which will take decisions, isn't it? If the body is not there, how can you take wise decisions? So your body should be trained first. Means you need to build your body to become fit and healthy. When you are healthy, then your mind will support you, generate fresh thoughts. It will give you good advices so that you can take better positions in the stock market. So body is most important instrument for doing any kind of activity, isn't it? So if you can't perform any action properly, outcome won't be at its best levels. Am I right? So train your body, build your body, be fit and healthy, eat organic food, breathe fresh air, sit in good environment. Then your body gives better vibes. So it's ultimate requirement for getting success in stock market. Then next physical education is calm your mind. Calm your mind also involves physical activities. That's why I'm calling it as physical education. See, if you can't perform certain activities, you cannot calm your mind. If you want to calm your mind, you need to perform certain activities like meditation. You need to sit in a calm place and close your eyes, take a deep breath, hold it for a while and slowly exhale. Like this, you have to sit in a proper place. That means you are performing physical activity before meditating. Am I right? So meditation is not possible without physical body. Physical presence is required to do meditation. So that you need to calm your mind means you should perform physical activities. Kind of physical education must happen to become calm and stable. When your mind is calm and stable, then your decision making capabilities will be at its peak levels. When your decision making capabilities are at its peak levels, you will take the position properly. You will buy better stocks. So this is the thing you need to cultivate in your mind. To cultivate this information, you need to perform physical activities. So that physical education to make your mind calm and peaceful, most important way of getting successful as a trader. And third one is balance your emotions. Balancing emotions also involves physical activities. That's why I'm calling it as physical education. So balancing your emotions means whenever you take the position and seeing the loss, you will be worried about that particular position. Worrying means what is happening there. You are thinking a lot. You are putting all that loss images into your body, so that your mind is getting disturbed by seeing loss positions. You have to take the stop loss as per your instructions. Whatever the stop loss you have decided while taking the position, that must be performed without having any other kind of emotions. So many traders does the same mistake of holding big losses and coming out with small profits. That should not happen. When you don't take the stop loss at given point as per your instructions, you are not called as a good trader. You will be called as a good trader when you can take rules and regulations properly that is set by you. You need to follow the rule which is set by you. While taking any position, if you are putting a stop loss, means you have to take that stop loss. Then only you can win in the stock market in long run. So to become a profitable trader, you need to balance your emotions. So before taking, what is your emotion? After taking the position, what is your emotion? What is your thought process? All these things you have to observe and you have to implement in the stock market. So you need to train your body and mind such a way that you should be emotionally balanced. And fourth one is channel your energy. Energy is flowing from your toe to head. Without energy, your body cannot stand properly. It cannot sit properly. It cannot move properly. It cannot talk properly. It cannot do any activity properly. Your energy is required in the body. Energy neither be created nor be destroyed, but it can be channeled towards your goal of getting success in the stock market as trader. If you can channel the energy on the goal that you set, on the stock that you have invested, or the position that you have taken as a trader, then energy supports you to take better decisions whether you are in the position or in the stock holding. So energy enhancing is another physical education that you must train within you. And the fifth physical education is bridging your thoughts. So thoughts all the times are generating in your mind. Am I right? While taking positions or buying stocks, or after taking positions or bought stocks, you will go through so many thoughts. Am I right? Like if the stock is not performing well, you may think about some other business. You may think about some other thing to do to make money. You may switch your mind so many ways, means so many other fields. This generally happens. When you see profit, your mind won't allow to think about other things. When you see loss, then automatically your mind will think about other avenues. If you want to get successful as a stock market trader, you need to shift your thought. Then the success rate will be much higher when your focus is on single thing. If you can focus on the position that you have taken, you will come up with better information. You will read a lot about that position. Whether to continue that position or come out of that position, you will understand clearly. When you understand clearly, automatically you will take the profit or loss at right time. And the sixth physical education is enhancing your knowledge. Knowledge is power. If you want to become a successful trader, you need to acquire more and more knowledge. More information you should feed to your mind. Then it will take better decisions. When you take better decision, when you enter into a position at right time and exit at right time, ultimately profit making in stock market is not a big deal. So right entry time and right exit time, you must understand when to enter, when to exit. This is possible only when you have proper knowledge. So that knowledge physical education must happen. I am talking about physical education again and again because physical education involves all these things like acquiring knowledge, building your body, calming your mind, balancing your emotions, bridging your thoughts. All these education involves physical activities. You need to perform certain activities. You need to perform certain activities means what is happening? Physically happening something. Even though it is happening in your mind or within your body, also called as physical education. So physical education will fetch you to become mentally strong, emotionally strong, energetically strong. So I am adding this physical education again and again in my conversation. That's why I have given this title called 8 ways of physical education to become a profitable trader to this video. Seventh physical education is restructure the images. Restructuring images within. Today you are identified because you have an image. If you don't have the image, you cannot be identified. You are identified because of the images within are external. Whatever the appearance that you have, it is also an image. Whatever the thoughts that you have in your mind, that is also image. So image restructuring must happen. You should understand how to make the images restructuring. So like for example, if you are fear of something, if you can't take the position in stock market because it is huge, if you think that stock market is very big in front of you, you cannot perform better. If you want to perform better, you need to make that stock market image as smaller than you within you. I am not talking about outside. Outside it may be huge, but within you, in your thoughts, you can make anything smaller than you. Am I right? You can also make anything in this universe as smaller than you. You are the ultimate big giant in front of any kind of physical objects outside. It may be a person, it may be a place, it may be a business, it may be a stock market. When you can resize any image as smaller than you, then automatically you will become more braver and more confident. When you become more confident, you will take better decisions of entering into a position or buying a stock or selling a stock, so that you have to make the image as smaller than you. And eighth physical education is outcome fear of everything, which is more significant to become a successful trader. If you perform with fear, you cannot become a good trader or good investor. You should not have any kind of fear, such as fear of loss, fear of missing out, fear of a stock, fear of stock market itself, fear of a person, fear of an accident, fear of a place, fear of a situation, what not. You can mention any kind of fear. You should not carry fear while you performing any activity. When you have fear, definitely you cannot perform better. You should know how to get rid of fear. You should eliminate fear before acting, before performing any activity. Understand? So physical education must happen to get rid of the fear. So physical education in the sense, by implementing certain techniques, certain thought process, by restructuring images, by using essential elements, by using your five senses, all these things must be performed at physical level. Then you can come out of this fear of everything problem. Finally, what I mean to say, if you do all these physical educations before entering into stock market, or while being in the stock market, or while being in the losses, or while being in the profitable positions, if you have these physical education within you, you will become a better trader or profitable trader or successful trader. Ultimately, you have chosen the stock market for making profits or becoming more wealthier. So to achieve a goal of becoming a profitable trader, you should have all these physical education within you. So you should follow these instructions. You should perform certain activities. You have to apply the techniques. You have to practice the techniques. Then automatically making profits in the stock market as a trader is possible. So I hope you understand the concept of physical education in this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and share this video among your circles, and subscribe to this channel to watch more and more videos on different technologies and stock market, of course life skills coaching, and click on the bell icon so that you will get instant notifications whenever I post a best video for your success. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you.